Hey everyone, it's Gary here from Echidna Sewing, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the stand and table for the Halo 12 needle embroidery machine. This is a really good quality table. It's very easy to assemble. Will take about 30 minutes and it's fairly heavy, so you may need a little bit of help, but just check the weight of it first and see what you're capable of. Be careful, don't hurt your back or anything like that, but it does go together very well. The screws screw in perfectly, everything is great, so I think you'll find it not too much trouble at all. The only tools you're going to need to assemble this is a 4 and a 5mm Allen key or Allen wrench. If you do have those available already, just have them on hand. If you don't have any 4 and 5mm Allen keys, there will be those sizes in the toolkit within the Halo machine. So you may want to just open the machine before you assemble the stand. But it's a little bit easy to assemble the stand first because you can then put the machine straight onto it. So hopefully you'll have some Allen keys available. Anyway, let's get into it. All right, so there you go. It's a very easy assembly, as I said, and a really good quality stand, really heavy duty. The casters work great, and you can lock those casters using that little red sort of nut on the caster. You can lock them so the machine won't move around once you've got it in position, but it's going to serve you for many, many, many years. So happy embroidering.